Hey everyone, if you're dreaming of starting an e-commerce business in 2025 and the tools at your disposal are more powerful than ever, let's talk about platforms. You've got giants like Amazon, Shopify and Alibaba ready to help you launch. These platforms have revolutionized the way we do business, making it accessible to anyone with a dream and a bit of determination. These platforms are super user-friendly, even if you're not a tech wizard. They are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can focus on what really matters, your products and your customers. They've got templates, tutorials, and a ton of resources to guide you through every step. And guess what? You're not alone in this journey. There are communities and forums where you can connect with other entrepreneurs, share tips, and get advice. You don't need a physical store to make your dream a reality. The digital world is your storefront, and it's open 24/7. The startup costs are low thanks to the beauty of e-commerce. You can start small and scale up as your business grows without the burden of high overhead costs. No rent, no utility bills, just your products and a good internet connection. This means you can reinvest your profits into growing your business rather than covering fixed expenses. Plus, with mobile business layer technology, you can track and manage your sales seamlessly from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a cafe or on vacation, your business is always at your fingertips. But here's the kicker: you can sell to anyone, anywhere. The global market is vast and full of potential customers just waiting to discover your products. And that's right, global markets are at your fingertips. You can reach customers in different time zones, cultures and regions, expanding your business beyond borders. One tap and you're reaching customers from New York to Tokyo. Imagine the possibilities. Your brand can become a household name across continents. Marketing your products is also more accessible than ever. The digital age has democratized marketing, giving you the tools to compete with big brands. Social media influencers, targeted ads and SEO are just a few ways to get your brand out there. And the best part, you can tailor your marketing strategies to fit your budget and target audience. It's faster and cheaper than traditional marketing. You can see real-time results and adjust your strategies on the fly. You can literally reach millions with a post, a tweet, or a story. The viral potential of social media can catapult your brand to new heights. Oh, and did I mention the tools? There are millions of tools out there for everything you need. Product research, email marketing, analytics, customer service, and automation, all just a few clicks away. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. These tools can help you streamline your operations and scale your business like a pro. With the right tools, you can automate repetitive tasks and focus on growth. The only thing standing between you and your e-commerce dream is taking that first step. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the challenge and take the plunge. The rewards are worth it. Start your e-commerce journey today and turn those dreams into reality. The future of business is online and you have the chance to be a part of it. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore the platforms, harness the power of global markets and make your mark in the e-commerce world. The time is now. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on building your business. Let's crush it together.